Well, what we got up here, we found there was actually 2 more screws that was stuck, and I'm using this tool from O'Reilly that can help you take the screw that's broken off. All you do is just drill a hole in the center and push, and then use the punch to get it all the way in there. Let me zoom in right here so you can see. So right now, this is what we have. It's a little tough to get to, but that does help it rotate. It's a screw remover. See, let me get close back so you can see it. Right here. Once you drill a hole in the center and you put the screw remover, all you do is just keep on turning until you get it out. Finally, we got it done. Oof, man. Stuff, I had like 3 of those making all noise, and we got them all out. Now we're gonna replace them with new ones, and that should take care of the clicking noise on Dodge Ram 1500. It's 5.7 liters.